What's going on, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the custom profile of the bevel. After opening Blender, I click on the modifier properties. After that, I click on add modifier and then I click on bevel. Next, I set a value of 0.35 for the amount and a value of 15 for the segment. I then click on profile and then on custom. By modifying the following curve, I will deform the shape of the bevel. I can also use predefined shapes like this. Here's how you can customize the bevel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know by giving it a like, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.